Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's start with the headlines. US President Donald Trump says he has made fantastic trade deals with his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping as the two leaders met for a second and final day of talks.
150年。
It's pretty old. It's getting pretty old.
Donald Trump says China has expressed interest in buying US oil and soybeans after his meeting with Xi Jinping in Beijing, reversing a slowdown in purchases caused by last year's tariffs. Donald Trump says pursuing Iran's enriched uranium is largely for political optics, though he would feel better obtaining it. He also suggested bombing Tehran as an alternative in remarks to Fox News during a China visit. Secretary of State Marco Rubio says US policy towards Taiwan remains unchanged after Trump's meeting with Xi Jinping, warning that any disruption over Taiwan could have consequences for the world and for both countries. Heated confrontation broke out between US journalists and Chinese security personnel at Beijing's Great Hall of the People in Beijing, while reporters were attempting to enter the venue before the summit began on Thursday. Ukrainian strikes on Russia's Ryazan region killed 3 people and injured at least 12 others, including children, and this is according to the regional governor. Japan considers exporting surface-to-ship missiles to Philippines as part of its more assertive regional security strategy, following major overhaul of export routes, which allow sales of warships, missiles and other weapons abroad. Protests against Bolivian President Rodrigo Paz have intensified as public workers, indigenous groups and others clash with police and blocked roads, demanding wage increases and Paz's resignation amid a severe economic crisis. Thursday turned into another nerve-wracking session for the Indian rupee. The currency moved close to the 96 mark, a level that markets have been watching for weeks. But RBI's intervention and policymakers stepping in with fresh measures supported the currency.